With the introduction of BS6 vehicles in the Indian market from April 2020, DPF cleaning market is anticipated to pick up momentum as replacement of DPF filter is very expensive and vehicle manufacturers suggest DPF cleaning as the most feasible and cost-effective solution. Unlike replacement of clogged DPF, cleaning is cheaper and efficient. But if the cleaning technique and process applied is not appropriate, one might end up replacing the DPF unit. Selection of an appropriate cleaning process ensures better cleaning efficiency and longevity of the DPF filter. As long as the following criteria are evaluated prior to selecting a particular type of DPF cleaning machine, venturing into DPF cleaning market will be at ease with no technical glitches and performance issues. Cleaning efficiency. How efficiently and effectively the DPF unit is cleaned would determine its performance and the overall engine performance. An incomplete or partial cleaning DPF will result in residual soot and ash accumulation in the DPF cells over a period of time. Due to repeated inefficient cleaning, the accumulated ash becomes impacted and will eventually be impossible to remove. Since impacted ash is a very hard and dense substance, it would cause an increased back pressure and also act as a thermal barrier, preventing uniform heat distribution during the regeneration cycles. The non-uniform heat distribution will create hot spots inside the DPF cells, which could melt the precious metal coating on the DPF surface, resulting in SCR poisoning and DPF failure. Cleaning process time. Time is precious and time is money. In case of a commercial vehicle, downtime is a ticking time bomb. The faster a clogged DPF can be cleaned, the quicker the vehicle can be back on the road, running and making money. In a DPF cleaning process, the most time consuming is the drying cycle. The drying time with ambient temperature for a passenger car is 30 to 45 minutes and 180 to 240 minutes for commercial vehicles. With hot air drying method, this time comes down to 15 to 30 minutes for passenger cars and 45 to 100 minutes for commercial vehicles. With the latest fast echo drying technology from FF Solutions, the drying time has significantly reduced. For passenger cars, the drying time is 5 to 7 minutes, and for commercial vehicles, it's 20 to 30 minutes only. Therefore, it is a matter of utmost importance to evaluate the drying cycle time while selecting the DPF cleaning technique, process and machine. A minimum drying time means faster cleaning process. Faster cleaning process means more filters cleaned per day and hence more business and happy customers. Design. What would you prefer? A compact, smart-looking machine at the corner of your workspace, or a 3 to 4 multicolored unit which consumes more than half of your floor space? Or else, an equipment which can clean multiple types of polluting, filtering components like DOCs, SRCs and DPFs, or an equipment designed to clean only one type of component? Or a robust and reliable equipment built out of complete stainless steel, or an unreliable equipment that is susceptible to operating conditions that can cause rust, wear and tear over a period of time. Without doubt, one would always prefer a smart-looking compact machine with a robust, long-lasting build which consumes very less floor space and one that is capable of cleaning multiple types of components. Maintenance cost. Have you ever regretted buying a cheap vehicle after spending exuberantly on maintenance costs? It's a common mistake most of us make at least once in our lifetime. Low initial investment doesn't guarantee low cost of ownership. Similar is the case while you choose a DPF cleaning machine. Watch out for robustly built equipments with quality materials and components. A brief market research on the techniques, processes, and machine effectiveness based on its efficiency, durability, and reliability will help you to avoid expensive mistakes in future. One of the most effective ways is to go with machineries that are prevailing and proven in advanced markets, who have improvised over the years through design optimization and technological advancement. Operating cost. Neither a high nor a low operating cost ensures better machine performance and efficiency. The operating cost of a DPF cleaning machine has to be evaluated based on fixed and variable costs. Fixed costs like electricity, water usage, etc. should be bare minimum, whereas variable costs like consumables should be optimal for effective DPF cleaning. Safety. DPF damage protection. Using a high pressure air blast during the cleaning process could damage the DPF unit. Optimized air blast pressure and water flow rate will ensure safe and better cleaning efficiency without damaging the DPF unit. Operator safety. DPF is used in vehicles to prevent the emission of particulate matter which is harmful for the environment and mankind. Allowing the particulate matter to escape into the environment while cleaning the filter is unacceptable. The technique, process, and machine selected must ensure safe, harmless cleaning and collection of particulate matter without letting it escape into the environment that is harmful for the operators. Water recycling and environment friendliness. Being responsible with utilizing our natural resources is the need of the hour. Selecting a machine which utilizes minimum water through the integration of water recycling process is not only part of our moral responsibility but also an important factor to reduce the operating cost. Like reducing water consumption, selecting a technique, process, and machine which is less harsh to the environment, say by using biodegradable solution, makes your brand suitable. We at Ilangat Enterprises did extensive market research on various DPF cleaning machines prevailing in advanced markets across the globe before deciding to introduce FH series DPF cleaning machines from FF Solution into the Indian market. FH series DPF cleaning machine satisfies all the criteria essential to achieve a clean DPF, such as 98% consistent cleaning efficiency, fast cleaning process in the industry with the help of eco-fast drying, compact design which takes less than 2 meters square floor space, capable of cleaning multiple type of components like DOCs, SCRs and DPFs in a single machine, completely built out of stainless steel, easy maintenance, optimize operational cost by ensuring low energy and water consumption. DPF damage protection is ensured by optimizing and regulating the air blast pressure and water flow rate as required. Completely closed operation ensures safety of operators and operating environment by effectively preventing the hazardous emission coming out of the machine during operation. Minimum water consumption due to integration of water recycling process. Prevention of water vaporization using fast eco drying technology. 12 months manufacturer's guarantee. Free installation and training all across India. Quality technical assistance support all across India. Entrepreneurship involves risks, but does not mean going into business blindly and then expecting great results. Successful entrepreneurs minimize the risk through careful planning. We did the planning part for you by introducing the best DPF cleaning machine through more than a year's research. Now it's your time to act and take the advantage of this opportunity. DPF cleaning is a potential business opportunity which is getting realized in the Indian market. Be proactive and enjoy the first mover's advantage by investing in the most reliable and profitable FH series DPF cleaning machines.